My name is Marcus, I'm the great entertainer. When I clean the windows, yes, it ain't no stranger. Try to clean the window faster than me, you'll be in danger like a caution sign. My tell will blow your mind. I'm cleaning more windows than your whole lifetime. You know I'm black, and my skills are all that. Put the high five behind me, clean the window with my back. The one use of Wagtail took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than the tree grows mold. My name is Marcus, I'm the great entertainer. When I clean the windows, yes, it ain't no stranger. Try to clean the window faster than me, you'll be in danger like a caution sign. My tell will blow your mind. I'm cleaning more windows than your whole lifetime. You know I'm black, and my skills are all that. Put the high five behind me, clean the window with my back. The one use of Wagtail took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than the tree grows mold. Give you an idea how fast this one pass tool is. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 times 5, that's 45 windows, right? On one side, I did 90 windows, right? I started on that side, and then I went to this side. He was just finishing up his last door, and I done did 2 sides already. That gives you an idea how fast. So to his 45, I actually did 85 windows. I had 1 garage door left when he was just finishing up, and I'm done that whole inside. That's how nasty and fast this tool is. Now see that guy that's working for me, y'all have seen him in my other videos. He actually trained me to hang from the buildings. He was never as fast as me, but I'm fast, but I was never that fast, faster than him, and he's a professional. So when I made these tools for myself, the way I work, I just picked it up a notch like Emerald. Man, I just blew the socks off him. I blow the socks off of anybody, really, the way I work. It's insane how fast I get done with time to spare. And I just gotta keep reminding myself, like, wow, man, I'm moving lightning fast speeds. Even my customers are looking at me like, you finished already? Because some of them seen this contraption already, but they remember, because I've been dealing with the same people for years. So they remember the changes I've been going through and how long it used to take me. They look at me now like, damn, this guy spends half the amount of time he did when he first started the account. But see, I never raised my price. How I raise my prices is how I get out of the jobs quicker, because time is money. So instead of raising my prices, I get it back in other ways, in ways that it's not going to hinder their budget. You feel me? Other companies don't do that. They still do the same mundane thing day in and day out, using the same concept of way how they clean their windows, but they don't realize there's always a quicker and better and faster and safer way to do something. And until you tap into that, you'll really get to see the amount of money as far as labor is concerned that you could save, so you don't have to raise your prices. So, I mean, it's just a suggestion. By all means, am I not suggesting any of you, raise your price and not raise. I mean, I'm not, I'm not suggesting that y'all raise y'all price. That's up to y'all. That's to the individual. But there's another way you could raise your price without raising any eyebrows. You feel me? And that's getting in and getting out quicker. So you gotta think, well, what tool or what way of cleaning is going to allow you to stick and move and cut your time down by at least 20 to 30%. But this is Masters at Wagtail. I got to get back to work because this rain is about to fall. So I got to stick and move. Macafacka, peace, peace, peace.